So I'm happy to show you this Milton 4 pendant light fixture made by Artika. It comes with the lights already in there. It looks cool online, but let's take a look at what's inside. So here you have, if you have any problems, call first. French, Spanish. Here you have some instructions. You have some hardware. Now you have the light bulb. The cable looks nice too, it looks sturdy. So this is what the top looks like. It still does look like a black matte finish. And it has the cords for the pendants here. And this is what holds it up. So you're gonna put this on your ceiling, put this into this. The cables, if they're too long, you can always pull these to make them shorter. You can make them all even, or you can make them uneven. So you're gonna take this out first. Put the light bulb in there. That's what it looks like when it's on. It looks pretty cool. Vintage, modern. It does get warm, so do not touch it. And I'm sure after a while it gets very warm, so the mesh does help you. So anybody touches it, they'll touch the mesh, not the light bulb, and it looks cool together anyway.